From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning to everybody out there. Hope you're having a great Wednesday. Now, it's no secret that here in State College the past couple of days have been on the soggy side, and this morning we're seeing much of the same. Unfortunately, here in State College, 64 degrees, your current temperature, some light rain falling out there. That'll greet you on your way to an early morning class if you have any of that this morning. But a little bit of good news as we head through the rest of today. I think we could dry out, especially as we head towards the afternoon. As you can see, rain covering basically north central PA right now, but you can see the general motion of this kind of lifting out of here. So by the time we get later on into the morning, especially towards the afternoon, it looks like we could see a brief dry period here in State College, which is certainly welcome after all of this rain that we've been seeing across the area. Now, temperatures right now here in State College, again, 64 degrees. We'll take a look down at Philadelphia. Look at that, 76 degrees in Philadelphia right now. Definitely a mild morning there, but these temperatures probably the highest that you're going to see, especially here in State College. We'll be right around this temperature or even dropping throughout the rest of today here in State College, so we will be seeing some cooler temperatures as we head into the next couple of days here in State College. But let's go ahead and take our eyes to future weather here. As you can see, by the time we get towards this afternoon, this is 3:30. Most of the rain is out of here. We're just dealing with the clouds here across much of the state. And now as we continue to push into the evening hours, you can see even a little bit of clearing here, especially over northwestern PA. Could be seeing a little bit of relief even from the clouds as we head later on into this evening, but certainly not the end of the wet weather. And as we head into tomorrow, still some clouds around here in State College. We'll keep the mostly cloudy conditions really through the next couple of days, and still the threat for some scattered showers, I should say, here across mainly the southern tier of the state, but here in State College, still looking at that potential for some showers. Now, we do have some tropical mischief to talk about. This is Tropical Storm Joaquin, packing winds of 70 miles per hour right now, kind of drifting west-southwest down towards the Bahamas right now. But this storm expected to make a sharp turn. Now, before we go any further, I want to stress that the certainty of this forecast is very low, so we don't have a lot of confidence in what this storm is going to do. And right now, the main thing is just to be aware of this. We don't want to put a super specific track on this or really go into that much detail, but before too long, we could have a Category 2 hurricane here off the East Coast. Now, yesterday, we weren't seeing a whole lot of consensus in the models, a lot of them taking it out to sea, a few of them pushing it inland. And as we got later on into the day yesterday, we saw a little bit more agreement with the potential for this thing to turn back inland. But, you know, we're still several days out. The strength of this still relatively unknown, so we're going to want to watch this very carefully. But the potential is certainly there for a mid-Atlantic landfall right now. But again, we don't want to be so specific. We want to be very careful with this. This track will almost certainly change, so you'll want to stay tuned to the Campus Weather Service over the next couple of days for all the latest with Joaquin. But here's a look at some of our computer models and what they're doing with the storm. You can see kind of a general consensus that this thing could be moving towards the mid-Atlantic. But again, these tracks, they flip-flop all around. This could change, and it most likely will change as we head towards the next couple of days. So just stay tuned. Follow us on Twitter, and we'll keep you up to date with Joaquin. But we'll certainly be watching that and for potential impacts here in PA over the next couple of days, as we could certainly see more rain in association with this system. But let's go back closer to home through the rest of the day today. Again, temperatures pretty stationary or even falling. And as we head into the afternoon hours, it does look like we dry out today, so we will get rid of those showers after some early morning rain. And your forecast for tonight, look at that. We'll drop into the 40s, a little bit chilly, 47 degrees your low this evening. We'll keep the mostly cloudy conditions into tonight as well. But here's your 7-day forecast, and look at that. That's a pretty wet forecast if I've ever seen one, I'll tell you what. But as we head towards tomorrow, still the chance for some showers and storms. Now Friday into Saturday, an even better chance of rain. But again, we want to stress there's a lot of players in this forecast. It's pretty complicated. We have Joaquin out there. Just a lot of stuff going on, but as of right now, it does look like we're going to keep the rain in the forecast through the weekend. And look at those temperatures. They really take a nosedive. We're only in the low 50s by the time we get towards Friday into Saturday. Of course, we have the home game here on Saturday. We haven't had the best luck with the weather for these home games, and it looks like we could be out of luck again with some rain certainly possible on Saturday. Again, this forecast pretty fluid. We'll keep you updated as we head over the next couple of days here at the Campus Weather Service. But as of right now, as we head Monday into Tuesday, looks like we could see some drier conditions out there across the area with temperatures rising back up into the low 60s. Thanks, everybody, for tuning in. I hope you have a great day.